What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I got the washer dryer set up, hooked up. It's draining now. Had to buy me some cords. You see, I got everything hooked up back here. Let me see this. Let me see. Put this light on here. Alright. So I got this hooked up. Yeah. Got everything going. So now I'm letting it run, making sure everything is good. I actually had to remove the front of the frame, which is easy to remove the frame. I just removed it. There you go, right here. I took the doors off, which wasn't that bad of a deal. But it's actually way wider. So I got like an extra, I got like an inch and a half on both sides. So it's plenty of room for a standard one. And I was actually making it so I could be able to put a real washer and dryer, you know, like the stackables in here, because I got enough room. So, but I got this at the moment, so I'm gonna utilize it and make sure everything work, and then I'm gonna let it do what it do. So that's my goal. Hold on.